log trucker out there. He's out there where that mountaintop blew its top out there in Washington Street.
Hey, I can charge this one.
I got to step out the back door of the shack and take me a pee-pee. Put it on your later joker, John Boy going for a pee-pee. I'm 10-7.
I can make it to you. Tell him I said happy Thanksgiving there, would you?
Yeah, that's right. All right, well, I'll take you standby. Superbird, try one more time.
I know you got there, DX Land 46 up here in Tennessee. Rear braking on the flat side, standing by. What I'm saying?
Oh, this guy's Mouse 766 up there. Lord have mercy. Hey, you need to identify yourself. You need to get that brother. Call Mr. D, the man with the logo. Hello, Mr. D. What is that? Hey, Buzzard, you ain't got time to talk to 418.
What Mother Nature makes everybody sound off frequency. Alright, let's give this a whack, guys.
I want to say good morning. Thanksgiving. What is it? Texas Hours, Louisville, Kentucky. Is standing by.
Come put it back.
Reverend Ike in this big car in Mississippi is getting out.
I doubt old Reverend Ike's can even hear this Mud Dog radio. But since it's so rare since I hear Ike in a mobile up in my receiver, I figured I better come along and make some noise out on this duck fucking 27.025 and see if I can get in his ear hole. Oh, Mr. Reverend Ike, BBI in the Northwest, got down.
Don't know the power of the dark side.
And you do the same thing. You do the same thing, man. Hey, let them boys do some talking. 766, the Billy Bears.
Hey, BBI, Reverend Ike, I just came around. Come on, BBI in the corner. Reverend Ike is right back. Come on.
Well, hello, Ike. I didn't know if I was going to get around that little guy down there in California, hooping and hollering and claiming he's everything west of the Mississippi. Hello, Ike. I just thought I'd put a bump in your mobile here today, on this beautiful turkey day, A little shocked to hear you in my receiver, but I thought I would try and see if I can get the job done. Reverend Ike, BBI, out here in Idaho, got down.
Yeah, right. All right, then we'll go ahead. Okay, make it watch yourself, man. Be careful out there. You say you got a hell of a windstorm up there. Take care of your business. Run the business, God, nigga. Hey, Jerry, that cut me. Let that cut nigga down. 766, I'm getting down.
BDI got my ears jammed up, and I might not have conditions. Quincy Jones, so BBI. Remember now you got a ticket put in his pocket, BBI, big dog, take it no more.
Crack it down, crack it down.
I was going to tell you how this went down. I was talking to Reverend Ike. Then I heard somebody out there hooping and hollering for buzzards saying that their ears are all plugged up by me. Then he rolled back, stepped up off the key, and then I hear somebody out there just wanting to know if they could get down. And then I heard Big Boss in Texas roll up in my receiver. Man, 2 minutes ago, we had 15, 20 dBs of skip. Now we got 30, 40, and 50 dBs up in my receiver. Hello, 27.025. I'm glad we woke the band up. Remember, 766 ain't the only boy on the West Coast. I am the man running the biggest single air-cooled tube on this side of the Mississippi, and I got down.
The question is,
To you, BB. Hey, Buzzard. Hey, Buzzard. Hey, Buzzard, Mr. Barry, just T-Bone wants to say hello and howdy doody to you. Hey, Buzzard, Mr. Barry, just T-Bone just wants to say hello and howdy doody to you, cotton nigga. Come on and tell you, Buzzard, Mr. Barry, just T-Bone just getting down.
Oh, 27.025 is alive now. I said hello my tag all the way down there in the mag. Hello, Mr. Switchblade. And then old Dangerous T-Bird fired down, stole Mother Nature from you all. Clip, clap. Now was he yelling at me? No, he was yelling at my homeboy, old Buzzard up here in the corner. I decided I would throw it out there the way it went down in my receiver. Hello, Switchblade. And hello, Mr. Dangerous T-Bird. The Goliath, the gatekeeper in the corner, got down.
Don't know the power of the dark side.
Hey, Buzzard, I appreciate it, my friend. I just want you and the family to have a super holiday on that who super take you down. Because you're doing your thing. That's the kind of nigga show, man. Tell all my friends, oh my God, a good time, gang. And Mr. Bang, just T-Bird, say hello and howdy doody, kind of nigga, and be safe out there. Hey, Buzzard, in the northwest corner. Mr. Bang, just T-Bird station is clear. Getting down, getting down.
I guess I'll pull it on back. I said I guess I'll pull it on back. And I'll bring my beam a little bit farther east so I'm looking right at T-Bird. Hello, T-Bird. BBI out here got down.
Hey, Mr. DBI, good morning to you, man. Happy Turkey Day to you. Hey, DBI, Mr. Dave, just T-Bird, say happy Turkey Day. Now get down. You got it, T-Bird.
I'm just going to say this to you, T-Bird. 50 dB. Hey, T-Bird, I'm just going to throw this out there so everybody else can have a benchmark. 50 dB in the corner. Hey, T-Bird, happy Turkey Day right back to you and your family as well, my friend. 50 dB in the corner and sole control of my radio. BBI right back.
Got down, get down.
Oh,
gotta tell you, when I come out here about, 8 minutes ago and fired down, there was nothing, and I mean literally next to nothing going on in my receiver. 9 to 20 dBs a skip. And you come up here and you set the benchmark so high here today, I gotta tell you what, my friend. You got the biggest numbers in my receiver at this moment. The video gate is rolling, the line level audio gate is going, and you're coming right out over the top. Hey, T-Bird, come tell me about it. Me sitting up here at the front door of the northwest corner got down.
Well, man, I can tell you, man, I can't do nothing. I got to blame it on that cotton nigga, Mr. J.B. Stone. That's what you DBI, you must have to blame that cotton nigga on J.B. Stone. That's the cotton nigga show. Hey, well, DBI, everything is Q5. Everything is good on your end, cotton nigga. You sound like stereo, like you're sitting in there. You and I are sitting side by side, having a serious conversation. I'm going to ease out the way, because I want to finish doing my turkeys on this cotton nigga end. Mr. DBI, Mr. Dangerous, T-Bird Station is clear. Got down, go.
Oh, damn. I'm sitting there listening to you tell me you're blaming it on J.B. Stone, and I'm watching my needle. And I'm not going to lie to you now, it's on the video gate, and the video gate don't lie. 60 dBs in my receiver. That's 60 dBs in my receiver, T-Bird. You said you're going to pull straight back, you're going to go right to the side, and you're going to go do all your other turkey duties here today. Homeboy, I got to tell you, 60 dBs in the corner, and that hardly ever happens. Dangerous T-Bird, the landlord of the Northwest, 7 states in my kingdom got down.
Don't know the power of the dark side.
60 dBs, damn.
Handle your business.
Mr. Worldwide Reject in the hall
Everybody gets 70 dBs. This cotton nigga, how you feel, baby? You hear?
Well, the needle only goes to 60, and I've never seen it go over 50, so my hat's off to you, brother. I said the needle don't go no further than 60, and I've only seen it go to 50. Damn, you are transmitting on that J.B. Stone here today. Hey, T-Bird, just thought you ought to know. Have a beautiful Thanksgiving, my friend, and enjoy it, brother. Make sure to check it out on the BBI webpage, brother. You'll be up there shortly, and I'll put it all over YouTube and Facebook as well. Hey, T-Bird, me and this mud duck station in Idaho with no audio, no watts got down.
Mr. Dangerous, T-Bird is clear. Oh, Reject is getting down.
Hey, T-Bird, with a vulgar display of RF power, and I got down.
There's some more to be. There's some more to be. I thought I was
BBI in the world of sound in Idaho. Reading the mail.
You have a good day also.
I'll see you. Bye-bye.
I just said I got a 21.
With that big hammer. Rolling out the 450. Oh, you fat man. We'll do it just like that, that's for sure. Fat man, uptown Idaho, your brother down here in Texas State. Tell him happy Thanksgiving on your end, and you know for a fact, I just don't give a...
Damn. I bring the house around south, and all of a sudden here comes Big Boss on my radio. And you gotta watch out, them boys over there in Georgia are giving my receiver a hell of a workout. Oh, Big Boss, I just thought I'd throw it a wave at you one time, then I'm gonna pull straight back. BBI got down.
Big Boss. Hey, BBI, could you tell my friend Big Boss and Mr. Daniels two brothers to happy Thanksgiving Day? Hey, BBI, it's just a friend of one of them coming and tell my company and tag Big Boss I say happy Turkey Day. BBI, Mr. Daniels two brothers get down.
Well, I'll let him know that, T-Bird. Hey, Big Boss, I'm supposed to roll you a 5, homeboy. Old Dangerous T-Bird says he's got a friendly 5 for you on this beautiful Turkey Day. Now I'm pointed right down your throat. And I mean, I'm pointed right down your throat, Big Boss. With this big old giant Goliath beam I got up here. And T-Bird come in the side of this antenna and told me to tell you, happy beautiful Turkey Day, and he's throwing a friendly 5 your direction. Hey, Big Boss. T-Bird hit me so hard I didn't even know if you were keyed or not. But I just thought I'd roll it your way. Hey, Big Boss, BBI in the corner got down.
I know what time it is, but I'm too old to tell.
You better go out and talk to somebody. I can't tell who you're talking to, but I heard his modulation. Take care, 766. Switchblade, Westlake, 766. You got a rocket, Westlake. Switchblade, plug out.
You been to Magnolia. Oh, you
You're looking in the Midwest, plug it in to Westlake. You're looking in the Midwest, plug it in to the Westlake. Take care, 7 companies in the car, kill us, what's up? Take care, 766. Switchblade, going to the barbecue grill. Bye-bye.
Man, this Mother Nature makes no sense to me, man. I gotta tell you, Switchblade, this Mother Nature makes no sense to me. 1 minute I got T-Bird at 60 dBs in my radio. Next minute I got Big Boss, 50 dBs in my radio. Then T-Bird's keying on him. Then you roll up here and you're 45, 50 dBs all up in my receiver too. Hello, my tag in the mag. I don't know if T-Bird's gonna let you come in my receiver or not, but I thought I'd throw the wave at you. Switchblade, BBI in the corner. Says get on to the barbecue, and I got down.
He's my friend, too. Hey, BBI, that time with the Switchblade, my friend, too, man. I don't really know how to make it home, man. I just, every time niggas want us to get double here, I just want to say happy Thanksgiving to him. And Mr. BBI, excuse me, I didn't mean nothing, but I'm going to ease out the way, man. Tell them all I say hello. I'm gone. I'm going to leave the radio run. Mr. BBI, Mr. Danger, he's ready to get down. Condition, bye-bye.
Sergeant.
I'll let him know you said hello, T-Bird. I don't know if he was yelling at me. He was just yelling at 766. Hey, Switchblade. I'm supposed to roll the 5 from T-Bird. He says you're another good friend of his, and he wants to wish you a happy Thanksgiving from my radio to your radio. Oh, Switchblade. I'll see you, my friend BBI. Got down.
DBI, thank you. DBI, thank you. I'm out there. Hey, BBI, Switchblade, brother.
Come talk to me about it, Switchblade. I said, come talk to me about it, Switchblade. What's going on, brother?
Hey, BBI, I said Thundercat in the Magnum. Hey, talk to Thanksgiving, BBI. Take care, BBI. Switchblade with no condition. Happy Thanksgiving, bye-bye.
Oh, I think you got tons of Mother Nature, homeboy. It's just old Billy down there trying to take him away from me up here in the corner. I said, I think you got tons of Mother Nature, homeboy. I think just old Billy down there is trying to take him away from me. That's all it is to it. It ain't no pain to that strain. It's just like T-Bird right now. I mean, dude, he's 50, 60 dBs over in the corner. But I thought I'd roll you away. Brother, you better get onto the barbecue. You're going to burn your meat. You've been saying you need to go check the barbecue now for 10 minutes. Blade, 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 more blade. BBI got down.
Hey, number some possums. Hey, number, I was 6 possums. In the yard, that's for sure. So I'm on the radio home, so I'm listening. What's going on? Mr. BBI, I'll catch you after a while. I'm gone now.
I said, we'll see you, T-Bird. I said, we'll see you, T-Bird. Oh, Switchblade's down there burning 6 possums on a barbecue. Well, we'll see you, T-Bird. Man, we got a fight going on the West Coast here today. 766 sitting down there. I'm trying to go to... Oh, Switchblade, you're taking sole control of my radio. I said, I'll see you, T-Bird. You don't need to get out of the way, brother. Because you know how this rolls on 27.025. Thou shalt talk to thy radio. That's rule number 1, page number 1 of the rule book. Thou shalt talk to thy radio. And being a true 27.025 radio operator, you don't get to pick and choose who you talk to. Mother Nature does that for you. Hey, T-Bird, just keeping it real, bro. You want to go? Let's go. Come talk to me about it, Brigga.
You know how that is. Catch you later, my friend, Mr. DBI. Mr. Dangerous T-Boy, I'm headed out the way. I'm going to let it go for a hell damn. DBI, I'm sitting by the radio, but I'm going to let it go for a while. Bye, bye, bye.
You said you don't want him to overcook his possum. Then he'll be trying to bring it by. Hey, T-Bird, you said you don't want him to overcook his possum. Then he'll be trying to bring it by. All right, my friend. You said you're going to roll wide to the side and let it go. I appreciate you. Hey, T-Bird, standing tall on my radio. And me sitting over here in the corner not playing favorites and not talking and not playing no games. With the gate rolling, the video gate rolling, BBI got down.
Well, we so high up in the sky. I'm back quiet. Do me a favor. When you get through eating your turkey dinner, drink a Diet Coke. Hey, fat man, when you get through eating your turkey dinner, when you get finished eating your Thanksgiving dinner, drink a Diet Coke. How about a fat man Switchblade? Wait, cause I'm warming up. DVI, black flag in the bayou say, don't make me wait, bragger, bragger.
I got a copy on you on my homeboy Switchblade ain't up on the ball. But hello, Black Flag around the bayou. BBI says you're roaming up, but you're showing up and showing out, no doubt. BBI got down.
Don't know the power of the dark side.
Switchblade, baby!
Hey, Blade, can you believe that we're 1 mile apart? Hey, Blade, can you believe that we're only 1 mile apart? There I'm talking down, way on past you, and we're 1 mile apart, and he's got a line of Mother Nature straight to you. It's amazing how it runs on 27.025, isn't it? Blade, more Blade. BBI says I'm reading your mail.
Hey, BBI, you looking at his mail, Black Flag, so you might be... So you might be looking at his mail, but
You're right, my friend. I might be looking at Switchblade, but I'm talking to you. Hello, Black Flag. Just keeping it real. I wanted to slow kid to see what was going on behind you. I might be looking at my homeboy Switchblade, but I'm talking to your receiver. Hey, Black Flag, around the bayou. Just keeping it real and rolling it back to my radio. BBI got down.
well, BBI, I'm one of them. I don't talk to what I heard.
I gotta tell you, Black Flag, I'm just keeping it real now, keeping it 100. Just telling it the way it went down on my radio, Black Flag. You fired up, and then right behind you comes Switchblade. And he rolled right over the top, yelling his 766. And that's what I had to sit here and listen to. Now, I could hear you pop up in between. While Switchblade was holding my receiver. Of course, he was down there talking to 766, so don't count for nothing. Hey, Black Flag, just telling you what's going on, my friend. BBI up here in the corner, reading the mail.
I talk to my radio. I love the ones I know. I love the ones I know, but I talk to my damn radio. And wish Dr. King do it again. Switchblade, come on. Hello to you, BBI. Talking up there in that corner, BBI. He's right on through.
I said, hello, nasty boy, I'll roll it up in your receiver. You popped up in there, but Black Flag is hooping and hollering right on your heels. Oh, Switchblade's out there now trying to call a fight between 766 and Witch Doctor. Just keeping it real, keeping it 100, talking to my radio. That's what I heard. BBI in the corner, got down.
Taking a mail, baby. DBI, Mr. Big Daddy, downtown Atlanta. Oh, DBI, Mr. Big Daddy, Atlanta break. God damn! I'm so scared. Hey, fat man, homie the clown keep down trying to make it rain. Switch rain to something.
Found the cut in the mag, get down, get down.
Homie the clown still on the law. No, Wiz Doctor, give me the answer.
Hey, Mitch, Black Flag, say you got the right, you calling the right people. Hey, Mitch, Black Flag in the Bayou country.
Homie the clown. And I think Homie the clown told us.
Hey, homie, do you make everybody out of the fool? You need to call the fire department, because this Mobile smoking, homie, break. Hey, 20.
Wiz Doctor, I'm out of here. I'm out of here. 766 in the Great Lakes, Perkins Hills. 766 in the Great Lakes, Perkins Hills. Wiz Doctor, I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Take care, Wiz Doctor. Turkey Day Wave, Fat Man, Turkey Day Wave, BBI, Turkey Day Wave, Switch Wave, Switch Wave, condition to something.
I said we'll see you, Blade. I said we'll see you, Blade. I said we'll see you, Blade. You be good. Happy Turkey Day. Wave right back to you. Tell everybody else I'm waving it right back to them. Blade, 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 more Blade. Your friend in the corner with a little tiny Watts got down.
When you're on key, only 2020, bro. I'm not 63 on key. Let me put on the talk show. Hey, BBI, bad as I want to, Mother Nature will not let me put on the talk show. Take care, BBI. Switch, bro.
I said, I tell you what, homeboy, Mother Nature's been all over the place here this morning. It's been crazy. I've been out here talking now for almost an hour. And it's switching so fast, man. Just gotta stay ahead of the game, and it's almost impossible to hold the talk show. But I know what you're saying. Hey, Blade, you said you going 10 soon, I ain't gonna hold you up? Just want to roll it up in your receiver. Blade, 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 I'll see you, my friend. Click, click, click.
BBI, can I get on your talk show? Hey, BBI, can power. BBI, hello there, BBI. Hey, BBI. Oh, 500 enjoy. I guess it ain't my turn in the neighborhood. Right.
I said hello 500 around Georgia. I said hello 500 around Georgia. Ain't no doubt about it, brother. You roll up in there in fine style, but I think that's because Switchblade was falling back, pulling back, and dropping back. But I'll put the wave at you, hello 500. I think I kind of heard you in between the keys, but you come up in my radio, so I'm going to call your name. Just keeping it real. And Black Flag, you're still in there, brother, but you're falling back. I said you're falling back, just letting you know. Hello 500, BBI, got down.
Stick on the West Coast.
I gotta tell you, 500, it is an absolute train wreck in my receiver, and I could barely pull out what you said. But happy Thanksgiving, wave right back to you, my friend. I hope you're doing well. Man, Mother Nature is a train wreck. But at least we got a little bit on this Turkey Day, unlike last year where it was sitting around and it was mostly quiet. The sun showed up, spit out its electrons, charged the atmosphere, and here we've got a little bit of Mother Nature and we're all trying to work it. Hey, 500, you can't blame a CBer for trying. BBI got down.
Hey.
he live, don't tell 766 nothing, cause he'll tell on you got a big mouth. That duck got a big mouth. He just like a refrigerator with no rubber around it though. Hey, Witch Doctor, you didn't hear that from me, I see. Now, hey, Michelle, you got a hammer down Nacho, nigga. But BBI not out there, man. Nothing. As long as you live, that duck can't hold nothing. Hey, Witch Doctor went by, same went by, get down.
Should have been there and gone, 63. I ain't gonna tell you nothing wrong, but should have been there and gone.
He's nobody. Hey, Witch Doctor, Michael Dillon ain't calling nobody. He better not call Queen. I ain't over that there. Michael Dillon better not call nobody.
He just said he ain't got no big hammer.
Hey, Cruz can't catch a black for the wave on you. Hello, Cruz. Hey, Cruz, don't catch a black for the wave on you, Cruz.
Hey, BBI, Mohawk, BBI, Mohawk,
Slap my needle in the corner. Witch Doctor, take this out. Make my body get back to the studio. That my shit, eat up. Slam my needle in the corner.
Hey, Bullhole. Hey, Bullhole, I heard you out there yelling at me, brother, but I only got you down there all the way to about 5 or 6 dBs. But I just walked back out here in the radio room and I heard you calling my name. Hey, Bullhole, BBI, I'm telling you, brother, you made it up on the Hall of Fame, but I don't think you're going to be able to hold it. But I thought I'd roll it back. Hey, Bullhole, BBI, got down.
I think 63 still keyed up. His condition.
Come on, they back on. Just get that, let's go to left, right.
Take your Mercedes, switchblade, bye-bye. Hey, Machete, you cut off radio. Machete, Mohawk, Machete, Mohawk. What you waiting on, Machete? Hey, Machete, 30 in the man. What you waiting on, baby? Let me get.
Hey, Witch Doctor, get out right here. Hey, Witch Doctor. Hey, Witch Doctor.
Take care, third man. Switchblade, blade, switchblade, wolf, blade, wolf, blade, wolf, 10-7.
So we'll see you, homeboy. Mother Nature's starting to fall out. I said, we'll see you, homeboy. Mother Nature's starting to fall out. Blade, more blade. I'll see you, my friend. Click, click, click.
Hey, 63, you gonna beat. Hey, 63, you gonna beat.
You said back for a mile. Shorty, switchblade, quickly. Now I got that right. I'm looking bitch in my head. Now I go to when they in, no doubt about it. I can't watch it. Hey, 63. You trying to talk to my Mississippi law? Hey, 63. I'm just gonna ask you a question. Are you trying to talk to my Mississippi law?
Hey, 63. You talking about a famous 5. That cat nigga ain't nothing famous about him. That's my Mississippi runner. Hey, 63, are you trying to talk to my Mississippi runner, break? Hey, Machete, Mad Dog. Hey, Machete, Mad Dog, Alabama, Turkey Day way. Hey, 63, are you trying to talk to my Mississippi runner? Hey, 63, I just want to know, are you trying to talk to one of my Mississippi runners? Hey, 63, I just want to know, breaker. No, break.
You need to get your mind off of 63.
Read the mail. Mohawk in the Carolina, I'm gonna bag this thing up in the Carolina. Mohawk gonna bag this thing. 63 Black Flag, say, are you sure that's what you heard? Hey, 63 Black Flag in the Bayou Country, say, are you sure that's what you heard? 63 Black Flag, the voice of Louisiana, check in the mail.
Mother Nature up and moved on us again. Look at that. Hey, Black Flag. Tell Homie the Clown. BBI just come on by and stepped on his clown shoes. Mother Nature's parked right over the top of you. Tell Black Flag, BBI rolling it back to you one more time.
How about it, BBI? How about it? Hey, 63, I'm gonna ask you again now. Are you sure that's what you heard? Hey, 63 Black Flag, say, are you sure that's what you heard? Hey, 63 Black Flag in the Bayou Country, say, I'm still checking the mail.
I guess I got no Mother Nature with Black Flag. I said, I guess I got no Mother Nature with Black Flag. BBI back reading this duck fucking mail.
BBI, Mad Dog, Alabama. Mad Dog in the mail. Mad Dog, Alabama. BBI, they got it. Well, 63,
Well, Mad Dog, I'll put it out there. I said I'll put it out there. As long as Black Flag ain't keying and bugging my ears, I'll put it out there. Hello, Mad Dog, I heard you yelling at me and I'll rub it right back. Mad Dog, BBI up here in the corner looking down at you.
Man, my two bow-legged girls getting down. Mohawk, get down. Get in the Magnolia. Thundercat in the Magnolia. Hey, Black Good, Switchblade did 220. You got it up back. You got it up. Ain't no doubt about it. Mohawk in the Carolina. Bagging this thing up. I'm back there. Now, how you figure he gonna do that? How you figure you gonna do that and he gonna get his radio cut off? How you figure Marshall gonna do that and he just got his radio cut off? Black Flag, the voice of Louisiana, don't. Oh, every shit on the bottom side, they backwoods. They May County, got down and go. Hey, Black Good. Switchblade did 229 really big. Switchblade did 229. 32.5. Get the Carolina, I'm about to down one more time. Really? Hey, 32.5. Mohawk in the Carolina. All right, 32.5. Mohawk in the Carolina, 2 p.m. Now, I heard you, D.